Hello everyone. Right now it's where I'm outside. There's a storm going on. I mean, it's like not raining really heavily and stuff. But apparently there is a tornado warning. And I just counted, like there was just like a thunder and then lightning and stuff. And I counted 8 Mississippis, which is about like 8 miles or something. One, sorry, I just thought I heard saw some lightning, so I started counting, but apparently not. It's raining and I don't really care. I like being outside in the rain. And one of my friends, Miyaka, which her channel is at Manga Lover 681, is freaking out about this, saying, "Oh my god, we're gonna get hit, la di da di da." She's like completely freaking out about it. And I'm trying to tell her not to worry about too much because there's been some warnings here and they don't really happen. Haha. The plants are going to be very happy with this rain. It hasn't rained in a while. Well, this is like ooh, thunder, lightning. I want some lightning. Stupid. Okay. Well, this is basically like the weather in my town right now. And I'm not going to give it away where I live, so this is the weather in part of my front yard and stuff. With flowers. Oh, bird. Ah. Okay, I'm going to be going back in, so see ya later.